A new United States warning shook the entire Middle East and the world. It's watching. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Atri, and the United States has quietly released a major new strategy paper. And it leaves no doubt. In the eyes of American policymakers, the biggest threat it is shaking up the regional stability. That threat is Iran. Syria is also flagged over there, not yet exploding, but called a potential problem. Now, this isn't just diplomacy, this is a statement, a global alarm perhaps. Let's talk about what this document says in very simple terms. So, the report calls Iran the chief destabilizer of the Middle East. Syria, still reeling from internal collapse, is described as a ticking time bomb, a country that could spiral into chaos. The US appears to be shifting its focus from traditional alliances to a sharper strategy on defense, security, global power balance. Basically, in short, Iran is in the hot seat and Syria is on alert. You know why this matters? Because the world is unstable. Power vacuums in war-torn regions, proxy wars heating up, rising energy tensions, armed races and fragile alliances. Now, labeling Iran and Syria as threat is not just rhetoric, it's a warning to the world. Ripple effects regionally and globally. Gulf countries and neighbors will watch closely, wary of sudden moves here. Global energy markets and trade routes could feel shocks if military and diplomatic pressure it rises. Nations that are allied with or influenced by Iran on Syria may be forced to take sides, making the entire world map even more divided. You know what this reveals about the US strategy here? This is not business as usual. It's the start of a new era of alliances, open warnings, and global power recalculations. Washington seems to be ready to isolate perceived threats and reshape the power balance, and that too worldwide. In the end, it's a quiet warning which is loud enough to hear. No explosions, no headlines, just a document. But when a superpower draws line, the world pays attention. For Iran, for Syria, for everybody watching, because this warning is not temporary. It could shape decades to come.